Good morning, traders. So on EURUSD today, I'm still looking for a bit more movement to the downside. You can see we had this compression movement again. You could see last time we had compression, we had that nice big breakout. So that's what I was anticipating yesterday, but it didn't really happen. So I still think we have the chance for it to happen, but first we might see we have this supply forming over here. So I think this will just break and give liquidity for the one just above it. And then, if we tap into here, then we could push down into this overall demand that we're aiming for and just fill in this gap over here. So if I go down to the 15-minute, there was a trade yesterday, and I'll break that down in a separate video. But yeah, there was a nice 1 to 3 with a 15-minute entry over there. And if we look at the 15-minute today, you just see these nice equal highs forming right under the supply zone. So that's why I think it will sweep all of this, tap up into that top supply, and then make that movement down into the 4-hour demand. So that's what I'm currently waiting for. Very simple. And over on GU, it just moved down lower yesterday, so I did say that I feel like it's too early for those retracements. So I think GU will just keep dropping. It was just ranging here and then had another breakout. So if we want a retracement, it will be at this minor break. But yeah, I think just expect maybe a push up somewhere around here, since we know EU needs to move up a little higher. Could even just tap into here and then head down lower as well, just continue dropping. So for me, I'm not going to trade GU. Let's look at the daily, since the 4-hour is a bit unclear. So as I said before, all this liquidity probably just going to head down lower and take that liquidity into this daily demand area, or even this candle is a nicer daily demand. So I think we're just going to keep dropping aggressively until we reach this area. So I'll just have that marked. Yeah, you can see it's not too far, and that should line up with EU. And then once EU hits that demand, we can start probably looking for longs again. Let's just look quickly. You can see that we reach this high over here and it just keeps pushing up higher, so it's not reversing yet. So the XY could just keep pushing up for now, and then I'm not really sure though where it wants to go, because these are old areas. It could be trying to fill in some of this older liquidity, like this massive gap over here or this one over here. Let's just mark them and see where DXY is currently heading. I don't think it will go that far up, but we could just see. But yeah, on the short term, I'm expecting this move to be short-lived. We could just see that minor break very soon. Like, this could be the last push up, then you have the minor break and it starts heading down. So mainly I'm going to focus on EURUSD and keep an eye on that. So let's see what happens.